Hi, I'm Jonathan,
I'm Coco,
and we developed the Learning Center app for Android.
and the whole purpose of this app is to have a more convenient way of access tutor working schedules, and then you can also sign up for the certain slot for the schedule in Learning Center, so you don't need to physically go to Learning Center and check who is working the night.
Not only that, but it allows the tutors to check in real time to see if someone has scheduled a slot with them and if they're working or not. So it essentially just simplifies the process of getting the information about the tutor schedules out there.
Okay, so this is our launch screen on an actual device. As you can see, you have two choices. You can either sign in or sign up. Let's do a sign up demonstration right now. That is the screen that you're going to show up. You can fill out your username, your actual name, the password you want to create, and then confirm password. As you can see, I fill in all the requirements, and then I can click sign up. It says, yeah, sign up. And when you click go back, you will put your username automatically into the user file. And then I will do a demonstration of an administrator and see what an administrator can do. Once you sign in as an administrator, it shows two choices. You can either make schedule or make tutor. So right now, let's do a make tutor. If we make tutor, these are all the username that is in our Firebase. As you can see, Panda is right there. Let's make Panda a tutor. And then you type in a topic. Once you type in a topic, you can make it a tutor. Alright, and then you can go back to make schedule for the tutors. All these usernames are actual tutors. So let's click on one. Okay, this is make schedule. Once we click it, you'll launch a page like that. You get to choose the day you want the tutor to work and the time you want the tutor to work. Let's set the Panda to work from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. The working hour has to be either hour or half hour. So when you click commit, you will commit all these change into our Firebase.
All right, so now we're going to show you what happens when a normal user signs in. So it takes you to this activity, which is a nice calendar activity that lets you choose the date. We can see the individual day's data. We now choose an individual tutor, and then start choosing time slots. So notice we can sign up by tapping a slot, which just asks, do you want to? We say yes. And if we sign up for the wrong slot, we can long press to delete it. And then choose a different slot. Notice that none of these changes are actually sent to the database until you hit commit and go back. And then once you do, the changes are sent, and it takes you back to the calendar activity so you can repeat the process if you'd like to. So now that we're back down here at the calendar evaluation, we are going to show you how to write an evaluation, which is a very similar process. You just choose the day you want to go into, choose the tutor you want to evaluate, and then hit the evaluation menu option. It asks you what kind of evaluation you want to create, and from here you just fill it out and then it commits to the database. This is a quick overview of our Firebase, which consists of two main tables, first of which the evaluations. These are evaluations that the tutorees write of the tutors. It has basic numerical data as well as some basic statistics data. Next is the users table, which contains all the users. The important things that get stored about everybody are their name and password. And then if you are a tutor, you have the is a tutor field, which contains the evaluations you write of your tutorees, your schedule, and your topic. The other interesting thing about the Firebase is that it has some basic security and validation rules, which force data to be of a certain type and restrict writing privileges.
I will just talk a little bit about how our website is presented. So this website is a localhost website, and then all the functionality that it has is pulling out the evaluations that the student fills out and the tutor fills out from our Firebase. So this part is a tutor evaluation, which is pulled out from right here according to the unique keys. And we also have the student evaluation, which is filled by the tutors pulled out from tutor evaluations, such as these ones. So this is our project, and then this project is also cross-platform between iOS. If you are interested, please click the link right here. Thank you!